Hi guys, Karla here. I imported some cool stuff from Beauty Bay, and this is actually Beauty Bay's pastel palette, which I'm kind of obsessed with at the moment. As you can see, I'm kind of into the colors, so I'm gonna try it out. That's what it looks like. It's really cool. I don't like a lot of foundation on my face. I feel like it really clogs my pores. So I generally just put a little bit on my hand like that, nothing special. And then just kind of pat around my face. Just want a nice even skin tone. Concealer. So I really like this NYX HD Studio Photogenic one in color 03.5. But just because I have really dark eyes, I don't sleep too well, so I just like to put on my eyes, like really kind of plonk it up over here, and then quite just a little bit around there, just where it's really dark, just to lighten the corners. I put a little bit also in the corners of my eyes. I feel like that also just helps brighten your eyes. And then I like to put a little bit here as well. I feel like that also just does it, but doesn't look too cakey. A little bit on my eyelids. I know people say you shouldn't, or you should get primer, but I don't use it that much. I like this. It kind of just like makes my eyelids look young. Then I put a little bit on my nose, and then I get really red here around my nose, so I'll just put there. And then any like little spots also around my face. I know you shouldn't actually be touching this with your face, but I'm the only one that uses it, so. That looks good. All my little imperfections. Okay, then I just kind of let it sit there for a little bit. And I first take just my fingers and I pat it in there. I think when it's warm, it kind of just molds to your skin a little bit when it melts. Yeah, that melts to your skin. So just pat it in there. I kind of like seeing my skin texture. I like the natural look. Because it might look great when you're taking photos, I suppose other people do it, but I'm seeing people, so I don't like to look creased. My smile a lot. I just tap it on my eyes. And while I'm doing that, you're just kind of pushing circulation around your eyes, kind of waking them up a bit. I've been going back and forth from my boyfriend's house to here, so my makeup is everywhere. It's either in a bag, or it's in my cupboard, or it's in my car. I need to be more organized. If you guys have any tips on how to like travel with makeup but have it like neat, because I hate just putting everything in one box. But yeah, so please, if you have any ideas or packages or little suitcases for makeup that's not too big but it can still fit everything that you need, let me know. So I just like to brush my brows. I don't have that great brows, but at least you can kind of see them. I don't really do anything to them besides just like pluck them here and here. Just neaten them up. I have really light in the front, which I like. I like kind of that fade. But then sometimes it just looks like my eyebrows start here. So I just like to really just get a little bit of that line, a little definition. And I just like to push the product in my brows, just brush them a little bit. So now I'm gonna go with, I'm gonna try this pink, or should I go with green because I'm wearing green? Let's go with green. I just want it over here, and I just pat it on. I don't want it to fall over my face. Wow, that's pretty. This is my first time using this Beauty Bay pastels, but I looked at MAC. It was like 980 Rand or something or 800 Rand for a palette of 12 colors. And I was like, nah, I don't have that money. So I bought 3 palettes with shipping from Beauty Bay. It came really quick and it's really good so far. The quality is quite nice and they have really cool funky colors and different palettes. Let me know how you guys are doing with COVID and all. Have you guys been working at home or have you got to go back to work? I can fortunately work at home, which has been great. Yeah, I like this bronzer. I've had it forever. For my 21st birthday, I got money and I decided to use some of that on makeup. But this was a special edition and actually the companies are not in South Africa anymore, which is really sad. But yeah, I'm 25 now and I got this when I was 21. I don't know if you're supposed to have makeup for that long, but look, there's still so much and it's so beautiful. Okay, so I like to just kind of bring some color.
So I like to just pat it on just a little bit. Cool. See, I just like patting it. So it's kind of a contour, kind of not.
I have like really big cheeks. So contouring, I know they say you're supposed to use contour because that's the point of it, is to create more definition, like more little hollow. As you can see, my cheeks are just like round, so I don't like the way it looks on me. So I just like to go a little bit natural, so it still kind of creates definition, but you see it's not like, it's just in certain angles when that light hits and you're like, oh. I also just like to just put it under my chin a little bit. I don't even put more on, it's just what's left over on my brush. Because if you're taking pictures, it's actually a nice trick. See? Just adds that nice little shadow. And then I kind of like the sun-kissed look, so I just put a little bit on my nose.
Just so that look nice and puffy.
I bought this new blush, which I haven't actually tried yet, from MAC. So that was the one product that they had a sale though, so great. I don't actually know what the color is. It's Blush Please. So it's kind of, I would say mauve. More of a mauve instead of like a peachy. So I'm just putting them over here and then a little bit at the top just to lift my face. I like this. What do you guys think? Tap it here and just a little bit here, just so it looks like I've just been a little bit in the sun. So I'm just going to take my finger and I'm just going to pat over it again. Yeah, that's better. Just to really make it a striking green. I like that it doesn't really mess around my eyes. I hate it when eyeshadow just like falls everywhere. There. Then what I'm going to do is just take my brush, lower it, and then just kind of lift it up a bit. So now I'm just going to go push them up. I kind of go for like 5 seconds and then I just push them. You can kind of see that makes a difference.
But there's also some green on my nose, so it looks like I have no eyelashes.
This is from a mascara that I just kind of dried out and I washed. So I just brush through them. And this is a new mascara, Rocket Volume Express from Maybelline. I kind of put it at the base of my eyelashes and then I'll wiggle them out.
Just so that there's not like clumps.
A little trick that I learned with my eyelashes, because I got kind of hooded, is your side lashes, I kind of brush them to the side and then it gives you that little cartooned winged look that they always have such beautiful eyelashes. When I was younger, all I wanted was cartoon eyelashes. And then I'm also going to do, is I just want to warm my under eyes a little bit. So I'm going to take just some of my bronzer and just lightly just over there under my eyes. I feel like that's more of a fetish look. That looks better. So just... I never really do it, but I feel like it'll look nice with this look is I'm going to put mascara on my bottom lashes.
I feel like sometimes it makes...
Okay, that looks nice. What do you think? So this is NYX Stockholm. I like Peekaboo, but I can't find Peekaboo at the moment. He's hiding somewhere. And also, it's like this big, and I've been looking everywhere for Peekaboo, but I can't find it online. I can't find it in the stores, so I don't know if they discontinued it, but that was my favorite eyeliner, lip liner.
And I have a scar here on my dog. Bit me when I was younger, by accident. There's just white bit and a white scar, so I like to cover it up. Sounds good already. And I already have a big cupid's bow, so I just define that. I don't know. And then I can just make the product.
Go in with my favorite Velvet Teddy. I feel like it just, you can't go wrong with that color from MAC. It just goes with everything. It's my favorite. Almost done. I just want to brush my brows with some brow gel. I just get this from Essence. Just brush my brows out, up, and then just follow the natural curve of my brow, and then I just straighten it at the top. I just make sure that it all follows.
Do the same with this one, just brush them up, and then just kind of push them down, just to follow the natural brow line.
Love this Maybelline Lasting Fix. I bought it when I was doing adverts and shoots, and it really just made everything stick. And then I also used it for my sister-in-law's wedding, and we actually put like glitter and stuff all over her body. And then, because like bronzer, and obviously you're wearing a white dress, so you don't want that to leak on your clothes. So I just kind of around, just kind of below it, and that is the look. Yeah, so it's nothing crazy, just nice, but it already makes your eyes pop. So if you have blue eyes or green eyes, especially if you have green eyes, I love to do a look like that. And then I'll just give you a look. And that's the full look. So if you made it this far, thank you for watching. And yeah, I'll hopefully be posting videos once a week. Mostly makeup and fashion, so if you're into that, come and subscribe. But yeah, thanks guys.